Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video I am going to show you one more tutorial related to GitHub, that is how to clone or download with GitHub repository. Many a times we need to clone or download some GitHub repository and try to execute and change it as per our requirement. So in that case we need to clone and properly download the GitHub repository so that it can work well. In my previous video, I have already shown you videos related to how to create a GitHub account. I'll provide the link in the description for your reference if you have not seen. GitHub is a very unique platform which allows users to upload their code online and just use it whenever they wish, and they can also share the code with the different users or people or developers. This video is very important as we are going to see how to clone or download with GitHub repositories. So let's see practically how all you have to do to make things happen. First of all, log into your GitHub account. Try to see any of the repository that you wish to clone or download. I am going to show you with my own repository, but you can do this to any of the repository that you are wishing to clone or download. And there are two ways of doing this process. I'll show you both the methods, so make sure you watch this video till end. The first thing, whenever you want to identify a GitHub repo that you wish to download, just go to that repository. For example, here on my profile page, I would like to go with this repository. Job recommendation. I would like to clone it and download it and perform the execution. Just click on the green button, that is code, and see download zip. Make sure you download the zip file because then it will import all the required files which are present there in that particular repository. So this is our repository, and when you open it you can see these are the different files or packages which are there in the particular repository. Now you can easily open this file onto your Jupyter notebook or terminal, wherever you wish to apply this code. One more thing you have to take care, like you download it from main branch. Don't try to download it from others branches if there are other branches exist. So make sure that you are on main branch and then you download the repository. So this will help you to download all the files and packages which are there in that particular repository. So make sure you download it from main branch. And this is the one method where you can just click on simple download and download the zip and get your code on the particular path where you are executing your Jupyter notebooks or your command shell. The another method is by using a terminal. Just go to terminal where you want to download your directory and write the command git clone, and then you have to copy the link by going on to the website. Just copy this link. As you can see, the message copied. Now go back to terminal and paste the link. Once you can see, now it is already been cloned onto our root folder. Let's go and check it out. So as you can see, this is the job prediction file, and these are all the different files that are existing on the GitHub repo. So these two ways are very wonderful and very useful while working with GitHub repo while we want to clone or download someone's GitHub repository. I would suggest you to download to clone the GitHub repo using the git clone command, which is more reliable, and you can also see what are the issues if there are some issues while cloning the repository. But anyways, it also works with the download zip command directly from the website. So in this way, friends, you can make sure you go to main branch and clone the things properly that you are targeting or aiming to look forward for. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.